Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Jaybird Vista 2nd generation with your iPhone. First of all, you have to simply go to the settings on your iPhone. Go for the Bluetooth, turn it on right here, and then open case of your Jaybird Vista. And then click and hold this button inside until this indicator on the front starts blinking quickly, just like that. It means that right now the device is in the pairing mode, and as you can see, they appears on the list. But if you have any problem that you cannot find them, just simply restart your Bluetooth connection. So simply turn it on, turn it off, and turn it on back. Then select them. As you can see, we are connected, and there is also another step. We have to go for the App Store and we can get this Jaybird Vista application to get more features, like for example use the sound equalizer and other stuff. So basically you just have to go for the search pool, type Jaybird application. We have to get this up, just simply download it, and if you previously connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings, you will just be already connected. So if you download this application and open it, your buds will be connected and you will find there other options, like for example upgrading the software, adjusting the sound equalizer, switching the noise cancellation mode, and adjusting for example function of touch control panels and other options. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.